Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all this two-piece bang and ponytail from Freetress Equal, and it is a two-piece, so I'm real excited about that. This will be my first time applying this one in particular, and it's ponytail season. Okay, spring is coming. Hair is going to be up off the neck, and I'm going to use this to do so. Enough of me rambling. I already put my hair up into a high ponytail. You can put your hair in a high ponytail, and I got my little knot going on the top. Let's get this out of its packaging. You know, I seen this and I was like, that's cute. You know, I want a side ponytail. I see the girls wearing their ponytails, and like I said, spring is fastly approaching, depending on where you're at. And this is hard to get out. Oh God, yes, this was hard to get loose. So this is the bang right here. This is the bang, and like I said, it is a side swoop bang. So we have the bang. Let's put that right there. And here is the actual ponytail. Okay, she's cute. It comes with a drawstring, which I'm going to loosen. We're going to loosen the drawstring and take the tissue paper out. Now this is huge. You have a lot of space in here to be able to put your natural hair up into it. Okay, let's get to applying. I don't want to disturb the waves that's on it. Oh, and when I did put my hair up, I kind of put it to the side a little bit, just a little bit. I didn't center it. So I'm gonna take this, and I have a scarf on to tie down my edges. So I'm gonna take this, put it over. Wait a minute, let me go down lower. Hold on a second, let's get low. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna take the comb, because it has a comb right here, and I'm gonna tuck it underneath my bun, the base of my bun. Boom, like that. Feel for the drawstring. Where's the drawstring? Here goes the drawstring. Try not to get no hair. And then I'm gonna pull. Now as I pull, it begins to tighten. Okay, it begins to tighten. There we go. I'm pulling it as tight as it's gonna go, and then I'm gonna take the hair and hold it up, because I want to wrap this drawstring around the base. And now I'm gonna take off my scarf. Okay, take the scarf off. Now what I did, which you are about to see, this right here was just something I decided to put on. You know, you can do it if you want, or you can just put your hair up in a ponytail. All right, so there we go. This is what it's looking like. Cute. And now we have the bang right here. This is the bang. Take that little piece off. This is the bang. So cute. And it has snaps. You hear that? Those are the combs. And like I said, this is a side swoop bang. It has 3 combs right here. I'm only going to use one of them. Push down till it snaps. Okay, till it snaps. And then I'm going to, oh, this is so cute like this, honey. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take my hairpins and secure this, because I don't really like using the combs to secure my hair pieces. So I like kind of tuck in between. You won't see this, at least not the way I do it. See, you're not going to see it. I like to tuck in between the hair when I apply my my bobby pins. I tuck in between the hair, in between the hair. Okay, blend the hair in with it, and voila, we are G for go. What do y'all think? I think this came out super cute. OMG. Look at this. Oh, this is too cute. Oh, yes. I like how this came out, doll. Let me get dressed real quick and come back. Okay, dolls, so I'm back, and this is the finished look. What do you dolls think? This ponytail by far have exceeded my expectations. It was super easy to apply, and like I said, you can totally customize it according to whatever design or however you want to do it. I just decided to do it this way, and this is the finished look. So I'm gonna turn around so you can see what it's looking like. This is the front. This is the side. Like I said, I don't really know what I was doing right here, but I just threw that on there. That's the side. This is the back, the front, and the other side. And that's it, dolls. So on that note, this concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna get out of here, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.